mind you, I am that bitch, I will pull up and find you. Everything got my name on it. Ring finger got my ring on it. Don't nothing move till I sign shit. You might as well be my side bitch. That nigga don't even know you. No contacts, no photo. Never seen them in the daylight. Do you know what the nigga really look like? Oh, I don't care. Some people witness from now. Just as soon as I'm done with you. Cause them other niggas might be for everybody, but I'm who that motherfucker belong to. And can't none of y'all hoes replace me. Hey peeps! Oh, what's up?
I'ma jump in it like this. I don't party with the kids. I get lit and I sit at the crib. You my baby, no bill.
For today's video, I got something real quick and savvy for y'all, like 5 minutes tops. I'm not trying to hold y'all for long because y'all don't even like to watch my videos anyway. So Dollar Tree makeup haul. As y'all know, I don't do makeup. I don't like makeup. I don't fuck with makeup. No one cares about makeup, but I'm just gonna do it on my channel so I can learn as you guys learn. We'll learn as we go. And then for me, makeup is more like art. So it's like, do it for fun. Yeah? No? Because I don't do it like on a day-to-day basis. Like I don't go out and every time I step up my house, I gotta no, I don't do that. I just do it for my videos basically. Because the other niggas might be for everybody, but I'm who them belongs to. Yeah, mine's bitch. I spent $22.40 at Dollar Tree buying a whole bunch of makeup products. As most of you guys know, everything in Dollar Tree is $1. And I'm also gonna make a video, like a full face makeup video using these products. The link is gonna be down in the description below. I'm gonna post both these videos at the same time. That way, right after you guys watch what I bought, you guys can go and watch how I beat my face with the makeup. So first things first, I got Sassy Chic's moisturizing foundation. Not sure if you guys can see that autofocus. I'm not sure if it's focusing or not because I'm blind, and you guys know that I'm legally blind. I got it in the color dark 1. I'm not sure if this is my color. I think it is. It's like slightly lighter than me. Hopefully it is my color. I also brought some lashes. I like for my lashes to like look really thin but long, like really natural looking. So I got the Wet n Wild lashes. Yes, Dollar Tree got Wet n Wild, y'all. It's crazy. But I did, it comes with the lash glue as well. It says Shuttershock. I'm not sure if that's the name, but I know it's C972A. And they're like really pretty, guys. They're like so natural looking, so beautiful. Like it's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. Fond de teint liquid in the color natural. I'm guessing this was also supposed to be foundation. I'm not sure. It's a bit light for my skin tone as well. So I got it in the color natural, BLM310. I might end up using it as foundation because it has like a little pump in it. Not foundation, as concealer. It has a little pump at the top, so let's see how it works. These are highlighters, LA Color highlighters. I didn't even know Dollar Tree sold highlighters. I've never used highlight. I usually do just like a natural face where all I use is literally concealer. Like I just do my eyebrows, conceal my eyebrows, my nose, and put chapstick on my lips, literally. So we're gonna do this light gold here on my ring finger, this medium golden, and this like brownish color on my index. Look at this, guys. That's so pretty. I got 20 items because clearly if it's $22, I got about 20 items. This is just like a pressed powder, so I'm gonna be using this to bake. It's in the color Tan. Moisturizing lip gloss by LA Colors. It's in the color Coral Crush. Like it's a really pink cute color. Like it's very hard for me to find a lip gloss that goes with my skin tone and my lip color because my top lip is brown and my bottom lip is pink. So sometimes it's like a bit of a struggle. If I'm squinting and looking that way, it's because my window is like right behind you guys. So sometimes I'm looking outside and I'm seeing cars pull in and cars pull out, and I'm just trying to make sure, you know, everything's safe around here, okay? I got 2 different lip colors, the top and bottom, so it's weird. And I don't really like real vibrant colors because I feel like I don't go with my skin tone. More nudish, darker color do. I also got this lash because I thought it was so pretty. It's like really thin, looks so natural. It's like a mink lash, and I love mink lashes. Palette for eyebrow shadow. Oh, I want to swatch this for you guys too, but all of these are like shimmery. None of them look like they're matte. They're all shimmery, but they're like really pretty colors. It's like autumn colors. Let me just do like a real quick swatch for you guys. Wow, guys, this is like, I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but it's like really pigmented. That's good. I got a regular lip gloss just in case if like this pink color don't go well with me, then I'll just like, you know, put eyeliner on my lip and then just like gloss my lips a little bit because I know my lips look nice glossed. So you can never go wrong with lip gloss. Some people, well, you can, because there's people who put on lip gloss and look like they just had a whole bowl of chicken and oil. Like they mouth just is glistening. Like, I also got this. This is a loose eyeshadow, which as you guys know, you guys can tell if you see my other videos, like I always have like a golden eyeshadow on my eye because I like the goldish color. I feel like it goes very well with my skin complexion. And like this is like a golden eyeshadow, but I think I'll also be using it to highlight as well, depending on how vibrant. Oh my god, it got real dark and ugly for a second. Here's another one. This one is another color, honeysuckle. I think I mainly bought this color eyeshadow only because I like the name, like honeysuckle. 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 I don't think this is gonna really show my skin because you guys can see I'm not that light, I'm not dark, I'm not like black, but I'm not like light either. I'm like, you know, caramel brown, I guess, color, like a brown, dark. I don't know what I am, but I'm brown. Okay, got this concealer, but that's also by LA Colors. I'm gonna be using this on my by Wet n Wild. I'm gonna be using this on my eyes as well. I love when I see like that popping gold color on people's eyes, like with eyeshadow. It looks like so nice. So that sucks. I got myself a beauty blender because of course, how the hell are you going to blend out your makeup without a beauty blender? Hopefully it contours me. I don't expect this color over here to contour me, but I do expect the darker one on the left to contour me. That color might be used, if anything, as a concealer as well. I also got mascara. The mascara that I have now is really good. If you guys see my eyes, like my lashes are like mad popping. Like I didn't even know they existed until I started using this mascara, and I forgot what it's called. Full Healthy Lashes. It's by Wet n Wild as well. It says enhance and define. Hopefully this, you know, looks nice too, and it makes my lashes pop. This is a concealer correct. It's purple. I don't know why it's purple. I thought they're usually white, but it's basically like what I'm gonna put under before I put my concealer, and I'm also gonna use it for my eyeshadow as well. I also got this hydrating lipstick with vitamin E and aloe vera. It's like a plumish pinkish color, so hopefully that goes well. Like it goes with my lips. Like I brought a whole bunch of like lips in. It's in the color Sorbet. Got this eyeliner by LA Colors. I don't know how to use eyeliner. I've never used eyeliner before, so I'm not sure how, what the freak's gonna happen with that. I do not remember getting this color, but okay, this is a color black brown. I thought I got a light brown, but I guess not. So this is in the color black brown. And then I also got acne wipes for acne treatment, pre-moisture. I'm gonna be using it as makeup remover. And last but not least, I got brushes, guys. Like I've never had any brushes. I brought a contour brush. This contour brush looks a little bit different than like how the other ones use. All of these are by Wet n Wild, and I heard Wet n Wild brushes are like really good. I'm gonna touch it because I like when brushes are like really soft. It blends better on your skin. Look at me talking like I'm a beauty guru and shit. Oh my god, for $1 this is like, you guys look, feel this. Whoo, y'all felt that? Oh, I can't wait. I'm so excited. Like, if you guys must know, just so you guys can see how really excited I am, like I've had all this makeup stuff 2-3 months ago because I wanted to like really get the full effect of me opening them and showing on camera. And it was like I was having a hard time recording because of work and like other things that I had going on in my household and moving and getting everything situated. I didn't get a chance to record for you guys, but like that's why I'm so excited, because I've been waiting 3 whole months to use these things. Like I've been still doing this, you know, nasty ass makeup for you guys. Well, it's not that bad, guys, so don't judge me in the comment section. I'm getting better. Y'all can go look at my old videos and y'all gonna say I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I got a large concealer brush. Not sure if y'all can see that. That's also Wet n Wild. I got a small eyeshadow brush, also Wet n Wild. I got an angled liner. I'm not sure why I bought this because I already have one of these brushes that I use for my eyebrows, and I brought a smoky liner as well. And that's all I have, you guys. I have like over 20 things over here, and I can't wait to use it for you guys. So don't forget to click the link in the description box below so you can see how I do a full face makeup. Not this, but I'm gonna do another full face makeup using these products, Dollar Tree products, and I'm gonna tell you what's a hit and what's a miss, what's a yay and what's a nay. Okay, guys, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm not a big YouTuber. I'm a small YouTuber, so I don't ask for no more than maybe like 10-20 likes. You know, leave me maybe about 30 comments in the comment section below, and please just tell me what you guys want to see. Tell me how I can do better, because I get better through you guys, okay? And I see the views, I see my subscribers, I know who watch me, I know who don't. Y'all ain't gotta be quiet. Bond with your girl. Bond with your girl. Like, I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm nice. When y'all not being rude and when y'all don't got an attitude. Because I could get to attitude. Overall, I'm pretty chill, guys. So leave whatever you want in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to be notified. Getting better and better. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to tell a friend so they could tell a friend so they could tell a friend so they could tell a friend so they can tell another friend so that friend could come back and watch me. Until next time, peeps.